Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to change the primary mouse button in Windows 11. If you prefer using your mouse with the right button instead of the left, or want to switch it back, first right-click on the Start icon located at the bottom. From the list that appears, click on Settings to open the main Settings window. Next, in the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side and select Bluetooth and Devices. Once you are there, scroll down until you find the mouse option and click on it. Finally, next to the primary mouse button option, you will see a drop-down menu with two choices, left or right. Click on the menu and select the button you want to use as your primary mouse button. Once selected, the changes will take effect immediately. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.